Thanks for joining us at our next video. We are at the Piano Solutions Piano Workshop. And today we show you the technique how we install side rails for the music desk on the grand piano. Of course, there are many different ways to do it. You can measure it, you can put the tapes or some blocks. We show you some special tool that you probably enjoy and make later on, that it really helps you in installation. It gives you precision, really nice, comfortable work. Before we start to do it, on this particular piano, Model B, there is some challenge. Of course, original wooden ones were ruined. Somebody already put the screws inside them, they've been cracked, and that's why we have to replace them. And there are several options. We can put the wooden ones. In our case, we do it more heavy duty and modern ones from metal or brass or aluminum. And of course, manufacturers or supply companies, they don't have the particular rails. It's here on the long straight side of the piano. We have to make the long ones. Unfortunately, the manufacturers made just similar like this we did. It's two the same length, and you install them on both sides. But in order for us to make it closer to original, we have to manufacture them. And you see, we just use the certain moldings, and we just buff them, drill the holes for the screws. That's what we install over there. And like I told you already before, it's a little bit complicated for the person just to install them here. You have to adjust the position. It's not easy to do it if you use your hands only. In this case, we create some tools. And like always, as you see, when you work closer to the piano that's been refinished, you need to protect it. All your tools on the certain pads. And the tool that we use here, it's designed, very simple design. It's a block with a clamp. You see, it's adjusted on the spring. It's a clamp. And two adjustable channels here that you can install. You see, we got the cuts here. We install our rail here like that. Just be sure that you put it in the right position. You install it, and it's just hanging over there. Now you just put it on the side with the clamp. You see, it's very simple. Like I do it like this. You see, I just open the clamp, put it, and the clamp just tight it. It holds the rail. I just adjust it, and it hold like this. And as you see, it's just hanging. We already adjust the distance. Let's say if you're not satisfied with the distance, that's generally it's okay here. You can unscrew it and put it like this. You see, you can down and up and down like this. And once you lock it, it's ready for installation. And of course, I want to show you fast how you do it. Now, first of all, you use I suggest you to use the only one hole. You just put the pilot, just to start it. Why? Because once you use the smaller bit, you want it to go right in the center. Of course, just you install here your length. You don't want to exceed it, but then you just like go all the way through to your length, and we use the screws like that. Always have to be sure that your bit is perfectly fit to the slot. It means it goes like that, and it's no wobbling, nothing. It means it's good. Then you can use your electric tool on a low, of course, speed. In our case, it's we figure out it's one of the best Hitachi. You can use it, and once you lock one like that, you can proceed on another one, and again we put the pilot. Always put the pilot, otherwise your screw gonna be on the side. You just only start it, and then you put another one, small one, all the way for the screw, like that. And we put a screw and use the proper bit. Then it never goes off. It's gonna be okay. And take our clamp out like that, and we can proceed on another side the same way. You just like, since the clamp gonna be here, we install our rail here. It goes like that, and the similar way you just come here to your side, lock it, and of course it's absolutely at identical height like the left one. That's basically what we want to show you, and I think it's obviously that's a very comfortable, and of course it's a limited application, but we already told you that all the tool that we create, after a while it's get to this become a combined effect on all the restoration. You will see, like we promise you, your restoration will be comfortable and enjoyable, and that's what's the goal. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you just like get a lot of positive from what we show you today. Thanks one more time. Bye.